Think differently. Esther 7 to 9:10 AMP. Then Harbona, one of the eunuchs serving the king, said, "Now look, there are gallows 50 cubits, 75 feet, high, standing at Haman's house, which Haman made for Mordecai, whose good warning saved the king." And the king said, "Hang him on it." So they hanged Haman on the gallows that he had prepared for Mordecai. Then the king's anger subsided. God is the righteous judge, and he is the master at turning things around to favor the right person. When men are bent in destroying your life for no reason other than envy, God is ready to defend you and pay them in their own coin. Psalms 7:14 to 16 amp. Behold, the wicked and irreverent man is pregnant with sin, and he conceives mischief and gives birth to lies. He has dug a pit and hollowed it out, and has fallen into the very pit which he made as a trap. His mischief will return on his own head, and his violence will come down on the top of his head like loose dirt. You are too defended to be a victim of conspiracy, just telling uncommon spiritual stories and making an uncommon spiritual sense. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. God bless you.